Hey guys, today we're making a caramel frappuccino.
To get started, you're gonna want a cup of ice, half a cup of milk of your choice, 2 to 3 spoonfuls of sugar, and whipped cream, which is optional. Then half a cup of instant coffee, or normal, but make sure it's cold. And then a pumped caramel sauce, which you can get at Walmart, Target, and Amazon. And then just normal Sunday caramel. To start off, half a cup of water and add the ground coffee. Add how much you like, depending on how strong you want your coffee. Stir it up. Get ready for the blending. Put in the ice. Add the coffee. Pour in the milk. And your choice between 2 or 3 spoonfuls of sugar. I usually do 2.5. 2 to 3 spoonfuls or pumps of caramel. Get ready to blend. Get ready and start. Get your cup and your caramel. You can put your caramel on the side of your cup to make it look really pretty. You can also put it on the bottom. Add your coffee. Here's 3 right here. Add your whipped cream, which is optional, and your caramel sauce. Here's it without the whipped cream. Here you go. Hope you guys like it. Try it out. Like, subscribe, and comment.